Bed of Nails is inspired by the more than 1,000 years old Indian Bed of Nails, an ancient Indian healing tradition where gurus and yogis would lay in actual spikes in the practice of healing. Today Bed of Nails has been reinvented in a more modern form with thousands of non-toxic plastic spikes harmless to the skin but with all the healing benefits of its legendary ancestor.
As you begin to let go and breathe and release your body starts to drape and melt over the bed of nails, and your whole body just eases and relaxes.
I got into a car accident about 6 years ago. I started using the bed of nails, and after a couple weeks, all that tension has completely dissolved.
Bed of Nails is a great energy stimulator and it helps the body create its own healing.
It releases endorphins and other hormones into your body, giving you a feeling like a runner's high almost, you know, relaxed and just at ease with yourself.
The price point is unbelievable. It's absolutely unbeatable. For the price of the cheapest massage you will ever get for 1 hour, it's something that you can use for hundreds and hundreds of hours.
And to be able to have something that stimulates that you can keep in your closet and have is kind of like having a traveling massage therapist or traveling acupressurist with you everywhere you go.
Don't be scared. Grab the mat and take a chance, because your whole body will melt and open up. You'll save money and you'll save time, and just give it a chance and you'll fall in love with it just like I did.
Neck and back pain with Nayoya's Acupressure set. The set comes with a mat and neck pillow that can bring you instant pain relief. The Nayoya Acupressure mat has 6,210 acupressure points for immediate back pain relief, while the neck pillow has 1,782 acupressure points for neck pain relief and stiff neck treatment. When laying on the mat and pillow, you will feel instant pain relief as the acupressure points improve your circulation while relieving stress and muscle soreness. You can also stand barefoot on the mat for headache and migraine relief. Beginners can use the mat or a couch or bed, while advanced users can use it on the floor or a hard surface, which puts a more direct contact between your back or neck and the acupressure points. With the Nayoya Acupressure set, you will also see benefits such as stress relief, relaxation of the body and mind, an improvement in sleep quality, and an increase in energy levels. Order your Nayoya Acupressure set today and enjoy